What's up, everybody? So I'm going to try out the chicken Big Mac. I think it's like, it came to $5.19 after taxes, and I got the good thing about the mobile app, you got to use the mobile app, not just to get your points, but to get the perks like rewards and stuff. So it was spend $2, you get a free fry of any size. Of course, I'm going to take advantage of it and get the large fry, but for what the video is, I'm trying out this chicken Big Mac that's limited time. Like, say it's like $5.19, and if you want it in a meal, it's like $8 and something. Man, but either way, I love the chicken sandwich, the McChickens. I really like the spicy McChickens, but we're gonna open this thing up and look at it. Just like a Big Mac, nice and messy. So I'm gonna pull it up. I hope I got napkins. Yes, thankfully they get me napkins. So, because it's gonna be a mess. If you hear leaf blowers blowing around me, I'm sitting in a parking lot right now. And of course, leaf blowers, the people are out just make noise. But either way, let's get to this Big Mac chicken Big Mac. I just call it Big McChicken. Man, look at all the lettuce, man. Now you have completely piled this on. There's still lettuce in the bottom. So it's got that secret sauce, which is like Thousand Island in it. It does have the cheese. It's got everything a regular Big Mac has, just instead of the hamburger, it's the chicken. So it's messy. So let's go ahead and try it out. This probably won't be attractive on trying it out, but as in other mukbang videos, people eating, it never looks good. But let's go ahead and try it. I'm probably gonna get it all over my beard, my mustache, and all that stuff, but let's try it out. That's good. I like it. It's messy, but like I say, the Thousand Island is very powerful taste, but it works really good with the chicken. Like I say, 2 pieces of chicken, cheese, tons of lettuce. I don't know if it's got mayo. Don't look like it's got mayo, but like I say, there's the top. But that's man, that's a lot. But yeah, that's pretty good. Like I say, if you're just wanting a sandwich, it's going to cost you like $5.20. Take it for what it's worth. That's about a going rate for anything that you can ever get in any of these fast food places. But guys, have you tried the chicken Big Mac? If you have, drop me a comment. Let me know your thoughts of it. Did you enjoy it? Did you not? Like I say, I don't know how long it's going to be at McDonald's, but it's worth the try. I'm glad I tried it. Glad I got it. So maybe I'll start doing more of these type videos. But yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. I'm gonna enjoy my sandwich. I'm gonna enjoy my fries that was free from using the app. Good thing about the app too, usually they have like $2 off frappes and stuff like that. So take advantage of the McDonald's app, not just about getting points, but just all the rewards that comes with it, because it's gonna save you money. Definitely, it saves you money. But I appreciate you guys watching the video. I love you guys, and I'll be back with more of this stuff. I'm having fun. We're in October 2024. We only got 2 months left in 2024. That is hard to believe. We're going into the last week of October, and Halloween's next week. Oh my goodness. But guys, I love you. I appreciate you watching. Hope you hit that like button. If you didn't like it, hit that thumbs down button. Leave me a comment, man. Let's talk. But hit that subscribe button if you like it. And till next time, In the words of the coach, please. Peace.